welcome to this video in the Facebook Ads Masterclass. In the previous video, we set up your Ads Manager columns, your ad sets with a single interest, and shared your post IDs across your ads. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use Facebook's Audience Insight tool to find other cold interest audiences that may be beneficial to help you scale your advertising horizontally. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more daily training on advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I will continue to put out a video every single day to help you build your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, open up the Facebook Audience Insights tool. If you don't know where to find this, you can get a link in the description of this video. On the left-hand side, you will see some options. Locations is just the geographical location that you want to focus on. We're going to keep that in the United States. Age and gender. We want to keep this broad for now. This tool is designed to help us find new audiences and understand our audience. If we start to put limits onto who to target, all we're doing is reinforcing our current beliefs of who our target customer is. If we leave this open, it could do one of two things. Develop a new audience that is in line with our beliefs, or that clashes with our beliefs. Let the raw data do the work for you. The outcome may surprise you. Now, the last part, and it's the only part that we're going to make changes to, is the interests. Put in one seed word. For today, we're going to use poor posture. Once we have all of our information in, let's take a look at the results to the right. Under the Demographics tab, we have our age, gender, and relationship status, as well as our education level. Something that I didn't expect in our audience. You can see the poor posture audience is heavily favoring women over 65 years of age. The gray boxes are the total representation by percentage that demographic represents on Facebook. The blue box is the representation that demographic represents inside of our audience, which is 18 to 65 plus with the interest poor posture in the United States. A reasonable explanation to this is that as we age, we grow more concerned about our posture as it can cause severe pain. Other chronic conditions can also cause a worsened posture. Other than the skewed number of women over 65 that are interested in poor posture, all the other data seems to be in line with the averages we would expect out of Facebook. The audience we chose has some derivation in the relationship status compared to the average. I think since the audience is slightly older, they seem to have more in the married section compared to the single. The audience is almost spot on with education though. Now, you have some information about your customer avatar in this interest. It's time to go find some possible cold audiences we can start to target. Click page likes at the top. I'm going to scroll straight to the bottom and start talking about the list that we have here. This list is sorted by affinity of the people in our group to also be in another particular group in comparison to the average person. With an affinity score of 75 times, the members of our audience, poor posture, are 75 times more likely to also like silver sneakers than the average Facebook user. That's your affinity score. That's what that means. Now, sometimes affinity score can lead you astray, so do some more careful consideration of the pages that you choose. If we were selling a product geared towards someone who is 65 plus, then silver sneakers would be a great page to use to base interests off of. Since our product is designed for anyone with poor posture, it might be worth attempting to target people who like this page, but not necessarily the best idea, as we might get a much older demographic. As a matter of fact, almost every entry in this list is something that would seem to have a high affinity towards an older generation. Now, what I would suggest when using this tool, open up some of these pages and see what they're all about. You may find that the page is related to health and fitness, so maybe health and fitness would be a good, relatable topic to use with our offer. You can also dig a little deeper and go find a person in that group and see what other pages that they like. For privacy concerns, I will not be doing that in this video. The point of the Facebook Audience Insight tool is to get a better idea of who fits into a particular audience, and then to find pages that might lead to a better understanding of what your audience likes and dislikes. Using this information, we could better understand seed words for more cold interests to target. A secondary benefit to using your Facebook Audience Insights is that you can then craft a better, more targeted message to your audience, knowing who they are and what makes them tick. That's all for this video. If it helped you at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify training. Tomorrow, we will be giving the framework for when to cut your ad sets and when to scale. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.